Alright, now it's recording. Or it might have been recording the whole time. Who knows? Alright, so let's see what you got, buddy. We'll do the same thing. We'll open this box first, and then we'll open the two chrome boxes. And then the second video will be the draft, alright? Brian Wilson. Mr. Wilson. Evan Longoria, die cut. Mark Teixeira, X-Fractor. Matt Kemp, Refractor. Little old Matt Kemp refractor. You got a green of David Wright and Dan Ugla die cut. And here's your auto, bud. Good luck. Come on. Let's see what we got for you here. Well, it looks orange. And here it is. Jared Parker. Jared Parker. He pitched well the other day. He lost to the Rays, but he pitched well. 97 out of 99. All right, bud. Let's see here. Where's your chrome? There it is. All right, bud. Good luck. Let's do some chrome damage here. Bruce Arondon, refractor. Mike Moustakas. Jadamian Williams, refractor. Bryce Harper. Shane Victorino, refractor. Theobo. Hanley Ramirez, refractor. Nice rookie. Will Middlebrooks, blue refractor. Nice card. 162 out of 250 on the Middlebrooks. Ryan Zimmerman. No, I haven't been to the Trop yet. Jake Marisnick, refractor auto. 224 out of 500. I think we're going Friday? Saturday? We're going the day of the lawn gnome, I guess. I don't know what day that is. Giordano Ventura, refractor. You should have another auto in here. Dustin Pedroia. Will Myers and Billy Butler. Alright, last pack. This might be one of the ones that doesn't have the second auto. Usually there is, but not always. Yep, nope. Adrian Beltre. So just the Jake Marisnick refractor. It happens sometimes. But, alright, let's see what you got in 2011 Chrome. That's the one with the Bryce Harper. Matt Moore. Matt Moore? Matt Moore? It's a Matt Moore hot pack. Come on. Vizcaíno. The one for the Rays? The one for the Rays fell through. Will Myers? AJ Cole? Not the Nationals auto you were looking for, pal. AJ Cole auto? See what color we can get you. Make up for the auto. Alex Colon, Grant Green. Peter Tago. Chris Archer. Manny Banuelos. Starling Marte. Ryan Bogusevich. Hank Conger. Conger time. Uh-oh. Little bonus. Little well, I'd say that makes up for it. Little bonus. Addison Russell, first Bowman gold refractor auto. Nice hit, bud. Very nice hit. We're going to have to tweeterize that one, that's for sure. And last pack, Mojo, come on. No, Christian Colon. Wow, wow, wow. All right, bud. Nice hit. Royals, what's that worth right there? The 2011 Chrome one. 40 of 50 on the Addison. All right, bud. Tweeted that out for you. Very nice hit. And we'll go ahead and stop this video and start another one.